This lesson begins with an ascending minor ninth arpeggio that is played legato, using hammer-ons and all down picking to make the sound as connected as possible. Once at the top of the arpeggio, there's a descending pull-off phrase that uses all 4 fingers. Practice these pull-offs first slowly, making sure each are connected and just as loud as the first. The next phrase is a descending line that is made up of a mixture of muted fourths and thirds to give your playing a modern pop and R&B sound. For this, we're going to use the fleshy part of our picking hand to lightly mute against the strings, giving a short staccato sound. At the bottom of the phrase, there's another thirds idea that uses slides and hammer-ons to smoothly connect minor and major thirds. The first step slides between 2 minor thirds a whole step apart. Then we're going to go up to a major third. And to do this, we're going to slide our ring finger along the D string up a half step, while also hammering on a whole step above the G string with our ring finger. The last part of the lick is a rhythmic phrase that's played with hybrid picking to get a lighter sound. For this, we're going to use our middle and ring fingers to pick the fourths that are along the A and D string. In between each chord, there are muted notes you hit. I do this by lightening up the pressure on my fretting hand to where the strings are all muted. This gives a percussive sound in between each chord. I will now play the entire exercise with the tab along to the backing track. Check the description for a link to the full version of the backing track that you can use to practice for your own playing. And thanks again for watching.